Imagine waking up every morning enveloped in the intoxicating aroma of fresh bread, as if the streets of Paris were inviting themselves into your kitchen. This is what the Moulinex Golden Bread Machine offers you, a true revolution in the world of daily little pleasures. With it, the art of baking is reinvented. Accessible to everyone effortlessly. Let me guide you through the wonders of this machine that promises to transform every day into a small celebration of essence. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to discover its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. This product is ideal for fresh bread lovers who want to enjoy the pleasure of homemade bread without the constraints of traditional baking. Perfect for families, food lovers, and anyone who wants to add a touch of authenticity and warmth to their daily life. The Moulinex bread machine OW210130 is not just a device, it's your new kitchen partner. White is the purest flour, 31 by 29 by 29 cm, perfect for your countertop without taking up space. Its power of 720W is a guarantee of performance, allowing you to knead, rise, and bake your bread to perfection. But what truly sets the golden bread apart are the 12 automatic programs. Whether you are a fan of fresh bread, cake, pizza dough, classic dough, jam, or porridge, this device has been designed to meet all your cravings. And for those with specific needs, gluten-free programs, for example, as well as for rye bread, are also included. Guess what? You can own this product with one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. With its intuitive interface and large screen, the Moulinex Golden Bread makes home baking easier than ever. Select your program, add your ingredients, and let the magic happen. From kneading to baking, everything is automated to provide you with fresh bread without supervision. Whether you have small or large needs, the machine adapts with capacities ranging from 500 g to 1 kg of bread. And because the pleasure of the eyes comes before that of the palate, you can even choose the color of your bread's crust, from lightly golden to very crispy. Aware of the importance of environmental impact, Moulinex is committed to a 15-year repairability promise at a fair price, thanks to a network of 6,200 repairers around the world. This initiative, in addition to ensuring the longevity of your machine, contributes to waste reduction and the protection of our planet. This machine, called Golden Bread, is not just a simple bread machine. It symbolizes a return to reliable values, the authenticity of flavors, and the joy of homemade. Each loaf created is an invitation to travel, an exploration of the senses. Imagine the jam spreading on a still warm slice, the crunch of the crust under your teeth, the softness of the crumb perfectly blending with the freshness of your favorite butter. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to discover new products very soon that I know will interest you. And more. But why choose this machine? Choosing Moulinex Golden Bread means choosing simplicity, quality, and friendliness day after day. It's choosing a delightful wake-up for shared moments around bread that is always ready, always tasty. It is choosing variety with recipes that adapt to all tables, all tastes, and all occasions. Now, I suggest we summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, versatility. Offers a wide range of programs for bread, cake, jam, and even gluten-free options. Advantage number 2, ease of use. Intuitive interface and clear screen for effortless use. Advantage number 3, customization. Allows you to choose the size and color of the bread crust according to your preferences. Advantage number 4, Moulinex commitment to repairability for 15 years, ensuring a long product lifespan. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, limited capacity. Although it can produce up to 1 kg of bread, this may prove insufficient for large families or special occasions. So my friends, experiencing Moulinex Golden Bread is to open your kitchen to a world of possibilities, to fragrant mornings, and to shared smiles. Why deprive yourself of this little revolution? To order yours and discover hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, one click is enough. Click on the link in the description. Simplicity, taste, and authenticity are just a click away. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to discover new products very soon.